Hey guys, just doing a quick update. I'm doing these videos mostly just for my own kind of records, but it's fun to have if other people kind of follow along too, and we can kind of like inspire each other. I really love this car. It's one of my dream cars, and I'm slowly restoring it, but hot rodding and customizing to what I want. The vision for this thing is something that's reliable, like reliable power, good drivability, you know, quality kind of put it together kind of thing. But I wanted to do this video here as a kind of a quick update on what the car has done at this point, because I've got a bunch of stuff coming right now to build what's under here, and some suspension stuff and some interior stuff. So I'm just kind of documenting what's going on right now. So I'll kind of show you the engine first, and we'll kind of go from there. Actually, no, I'll show you the exterior stuff since my last video. So I've got these silver lenses for the front, which the car's motif is black with some silver. Like my decals are silver. You know, I got some silver stuff on these rims here. The interior is gray or silver or whatever you want to call it. Silver suede dash cover. Things like one thing I've upgraded since that last video is I have a Hurst Billet Pro shifter, which is black and silver, which is cool. I got LED lights I've converted to here and here. I haven't done any of the dash stuff with that. I've got the headliner out because I'm getting that redone as well for next spring. I've done all back here is LEDs now, which is really cool, besides this, because you need to put resistors in your third brake light, because if you don't, then your cruise control won't work, and you'll get a brake light with flashes. At least in 93 you will flash on your dash, and it's annoying, and your cruise control won't work. So that may be another video some other day. What else have I done? Oh, this is cool. So I've done a front brake conversion, LS1, so the 98 to 02 brake conversion. These are about an inch bigger, the rotors, and the caliper itself goes from a single piston to a dual piston, so they stop really good. Full stainless brake conversion lines as well. So the middle line back here, these two lines, and then of course the front two are all stainless steel. I can't remember who's the manufacturer, but I'll maybe put that in the description later or something. Power stop rotors, Hawks HPS plus pads. This thing stops like crazy now, which is awesome compared to before. Really stiff pedal. So now let's go under the engine. So what's different since when I just did that last upload a couple weeks back? That was an older video of this in the summer. I didn't have my long tubes on yet, so I got a long tubes off-road Y pipe. It goes into a Flowmaster cat back with stock tips, so it's kind of cool that way, I guess. I also got LTCC, so the coil conversion, the LS1 coil conversion. It's got two-step, some nitrous retard stuff in it. I'm not really going to use it for that. I just wanted it for more reliability reasons. But anyways, I have that. That's awesome. What else have I done since then? Shoot. The suspension stuff I have on it right now is actually mostly stock, besides I have lower control arms back here by Jags, and I have a Founders Panhard bar. With this build, because this thing, I'm going to drop this whole sub frame. I'm going to video log this all, by the way. This is kind of half what the channel is going to be. So I'm going to drop all this out. I want to redo the engine bay here. I was thinking of actually tucking my wires too to clean this all up. I want to relocate my coils, by the way, to underneath. But we'll discuss that maybe in a further video. But the only other suspension thing I want to do is a BMR torque arm I'm going to do. And I'm going to do a strut bar, what goes here onto your front struts. Maybe in the future I'll do some more suspension stuff, but I think that might be good for this year. But right now I've got a bunch of stuff ordered. I have Lloyd Elliott down in Texas. Just did my heads. I have another set of heads coming. They're on their way right now. So I went with the LE1 package because I'm not looking to race this thing. This thing is meant to be like a cruiser. Like I'm going to eventually do body work on it and stuff. which we'll discuss something cool what I'm going to be doing with that a little bit later on. But but anyways, I got a billet cam coming with that as well, which is spec to what I'm kind of going over. We'll go over the specs on all this stuff once it comes here. I got some comp cam or not comp cam, sorry, comp 1.6 rockers for it and a few other different little things. But I'll document the whole build we're doing on this thing. We're going to clean this all up as well. Like I'll repaint everything, clean the whole block, all resealed, everything like that. We're going to, you know, do some cool stuff with that. What else here? So that's pretty much it.